Hey internet, so you probably searched your tutorial question on Google or on YouTube and you found my channel and you found these made up question tutorials. So if you want to check that these made up questions are similar, and I say that with quotes, just go to the description. So as you can see, just click on more. In this section right here, it will tell you what question it is similar to. So if it's the same question that you're looking up, then you're good. So the question in the video is obviously made up for legal reasons because of copyright. So the question is reworded, it's made up, the numbers are different, but the method involved is the same as the question that you are looking for. Alright, like and subscribe, share with your struggling students. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.